Is Gumroad the right platform for you? If you think about selling digital products online, you likely hear about the Gumroad. Gumroad is an e-commerce platform that allows you to lease and sell your digital products, capture payment for them, and even though this is so user-friendly, however, it has some drawbacks. In this video, I'm gonna to show you how you can sign up for Gumroad, how you can list your first digital products on Gumroad, and I'm gonna to talk about dashboard, the key features, and understanding the fees involved. If you just think about using Gumroad to sell your digital products, this video can be helpful for you to show you this is the right platform for you or no. So creating Gumroad account is very simple process. One of the reasons many people choose Gumroad because it's so friendly and easy to get started with this. So the first time if you want to start selling digital products on Gumroad, you can just search for gumroad.com and then just click on start selling here or start selling here. But because before that I create my store, I just click on login, and then you can see this page and you can log in or sign up with Google, X, Stripe, or with your email. You can choose everything that you want. It's up to you. So let's go to just click here and log in with my email. So when you are logging in your Gumroad store, you see this page. This is the first page, and the option is welcome abroad, make an impression, show times, and also the other option. But the first thing, we need to go to setting to set up our Gumroad, our store. In setting, you see setting, profile, team, payment, and other option. The first in setting, you see your email that you're logging in your Gumroad. The second is notification, and depending on your preferences, you can choose whether to receive mobile notification or email notification. If you want to get notification on mobile device, you can install Gumroad apps here, App Store or Play Store. Another thing is support. You can write the email support here. Local time zone, you can choose the time that's in your area, that you're staying area. It depends on your area, for example. And the other things is selling. You can choose your currency. It again depending on your area, pound, euro, or dollar. Here is enable purchasing power. So in here we have a setting to charge in different different prices in different places around the world when you just turn on this section. Adult content, and this is show adult content in recommendation as a research result, and affiliate when enable. When you just click here, turn on this section, other user cannot add you as an affiliate or request to become your affiliate. It's up to you. You can turn on this section or turn off this section. So the next tab is profile, and here you can choose your username. If you, for example, about my username is Zenith Digital, it is view on your profile. This is the zenithdigital.gumroad.com, and the name, I just try to use the name like Fafa because of my name. And view, you can write everything that related to your digital products. For example, I just wrote here, I create simple and practical digital product designed to help people solve real problems and get result faster. And the logo, there is some rules for your logo. It should be at least 200 pixel and must be JPG or PNG format. I just upload one of my logo here, and a social link. If you have social links, you can connect from here. And the design is a font. When you click here, you can see here, in preview, you can see your store. When I click here, there is a little bit change here, and domain, roto, you can choose one of them that you want. I just choose this one. And background color, if I choose background color, if I choose black, my store is black, so I choose white one. And highlight color, it means that here subscribe, I choose this one and I show you. For example, this is the yellow. I choose yellow. It's okay because I wanted to show you what the meaning of highlight color. So then you should to update setting, I mean to save it, and just click here to see your shop, view profile. This is your shop. This is the bio that I wrote. This is my name, and this is the username that I told you, zenithdigital.gumroad.com, my name and bio. And the highlight color, it means here I choose yellow one, so this is the yellow one. You can choose every color that you want, and every time when you change everything in your store, it's better to update setting. So next tab is team, and also you can invite as many teams member as you need to help run this account. This is the team members. This is your email and your name because you are the owner of this website. And if you want to add another person, you can just select their roles, I mean admin, marketing, support, or everything that you want, and after that send invitation for them, and you can add them here as a, I mean admin, marketing, or support. The next tab is payments. Here there is a payout schedule. It's depends you can choose weekly, monthly, or other option, and the minimum payout is 100. You cannot choose, for example, $10 because this is the minimum payout here. And if you just click pause payout, I mean they won't process until you decide to resume them, and your balance will remain in your account until then. The other things is that payout method, I mean there is two payout method. Bank account is here, and PayPal. Both of them you can choose one of them, and but in my opinion bank account is so easier, especially when you want to receive your money, and it's easier than PayPal. You can just write your IBAN and confirm your IBAN here. This is a business or individual. Write your name and last name, every details about your account bank that now I cannot write here. And the next tab is billing. Here you can write just one time your the detail of your billing just once, and to pre-fill your invoice. You don't need to, for example, write it again and again. The next tab is password and authorization. Here you can change your password if you want, change it. And the next one is two-factor authorization. It's better to generate, it's better to use two-factor authorization because it's safe for your website and also for your Gumroad store. The next tab is a third-party analytic. You can add Google Analytics, you can add Facebook Pixel or TikTok Pixel here and track your visitors. And domain verification, if you have a custom domain, you can verify your domain here, and you can write meta name here to verify your domain. The next tab is advanced, and I mean the last tab. This is the custom domain. If you want to have your domain, you can write here, and I think this is not so important. And the last thing is danger zone. I mean, if you don't want to continue selling digital products on Gumroad, you can just click here, delete your Gumroad account, and just deleted your account. So let's go to create the first one. The first, you should to click on product, and then click on next product here or here. Both of them is okay. And when you click here you are able to select the type of product that you want to sell. It can be a course, digital product, course, ebook, membership, bundle, and sometimes it's services. I mean, for example, you can offer schedule calls with your customers or accept tips from your customer or something like this. The first I write ADHD planner. As an example, I just write the name of my project, and then here you should write the price. You can choose the currency, pound, dollar, or euro. I just choose $29 as an example. Then click on next, customize. So here, this is the name of our product. When you do everything here, you can see in preview. In preview means that this is your Gumroad store. I just write the description about my product. This is as an example, but you need to spend time to write a good description and a good name. And in URL, just copy the name of your project and then paste here. This is the Zenith Digital, is username of my store. And for cover, if you want to do something about this section, it's better to use Canva, because you can choose the exact pixel from in Canva, and also about the DPI. But as an example, I just choose one of them from my computer. For example, like this, just as an example. You can see everything that we changed. You can see here in your preview. And thumbnail also, you can do it, and you can make thumbnail in Canva. It should be 600 pixel and JPG or PNG format. Upload the thumbnail. And for product info, call to action, there is 3 options. I want this, buy this, or pay. I just choose I want this, because it's a little bit friendly. For summary, you can write or you cannot. It depends on you, a little bit about your products. And then here is nothing at detail. Pricing is 29, because before that I choose it and I write it. And here, if you turn on this, allow customer to pay what they want, this is a start from 29 until it depends on your customer. Sometimes they want, if they enjoy about your products, they pay, for example, 39, 40 or something like this. And allow customer to pay in installment. You can also turn on or turn off this. Most of the time and all the time, I just turn off this. And automatically apply discount code when your customer buys something and they receive the discount code for example, the next product. And version, if you have any version about your about any format or any version about your products, you can upload here. In settings section, there is a limit, a limit products. You can just write a number of purchase, 100, 1000 or something like this, but I suggest you to turn off this. I think it's better. And also the other thing is okay. Then you can see this is the preview of your website. Then go to save and continue. Here you should upload your file that's related to your products. I try to from computer and just choose one of them. This one, for example, as an example. I just upload this one to see everything. And then if you want to publish, and you can click here, publish and continue, but I just save changes. If you want to also just save changes. If you want to see to add another one, you can again come here and also add another one. It's okay. After upload your digital products, you can click here, product, and you are gonna to see your digital product here that listed. And you can see the other option, affiliate and collabs, to allow other people to advertise your products for you. So click on affiliate. You can create here, become an affiliate. You can create here an affiliate program for them, and they can apply and can allow them to advertise your product. When I click on the next tab is collabs. And we have a collabs here. You can collaborate with other Gumroad creators that can expose you and your products for their network. This is a great way. When you add a collab, this is a great way to growing your audience. Then we have a collaborators. Here. When you click here, there is a add collaborator. and we can add people in our store in order to help you. I mean, they can help you to create your products. That means will get a percentage from the sales, and you add them from here. You can add collaborators here to help you to increase your sales, but they receive their commission. Then there is a checkout. You have a setting on checkout. I mean, inside of it you are able to create discount. Here there is a discount. Next, a new discount. I mean, you can create your discount, and you are able to work on your checkout form, and also you can add the different setting here, different custom fields, and talk about the option and everything that you want checkout form here. You can just change it. For example, this one or this one, it's up to you. Or for example, this one or this one. And also upsell. This is a new upsell, and upsell allow you to suggest additional products to your customer at checkout. You can this is a good for your customer to purchase, to be upgrade, to know about your upgrade version of your product. So next tab is email, and you can add newsletter that you can send to your followers. And I mean, here you can just click here to add newsletter, and in a section schedule, you can schedule your email, for example, every day, every month, or every week. It's up to you. This is, you can access to draft and subscriber. This is a this is a great things about Gumroad. It gives you access to your email list. You can even download it from here. I mean, this is a best section about the Gumroad that I like. You can access to every subscriber about their email and something like this. Every month you can come here to click export the list of your subscriber. The next tab is workflow, and this have to be able also with emails. In here you can create automated email flows, and that means that you can send different type of email whenever customers take a certain action. You can just click here to automate email for yourself. So next tab is sales. I mean, if you have any sales here, every time a new customer purchases a product from your Gumroad, here their email address and other details are added here, and you can see the sales. But now, because I didn't publish any digital products, so because of this I cannot see any sales, or 0, 20, $100, something like this. But after a while, when you sell some of your products, you can come here to see every product, every sales, and also you can export your products from here. The other things is analytics. I mean, you can analyze your store, for example, which day is better, which day is better and which day is not good. Just select the products, all products, but I didn't have any products, just uploaded the ADHD planner. And monthly you can choose, for example, every month, every day, this last 3 months, to see your sales and just analyze your store. I think it's a good to analyze your store. The next one is affiliate, that I talk about it. You need to publish products to add affiliate, but now I didn't have anything when I didn't publish any products. If I upload and publish one product, I can see I can access to add affiliate here. And the other section is a payout, so you can see the payout here. I think it's not so difficult. Next tab is discover. You have your product listed here, but I didn't do anything. I didn't list any products, so I cannot see anything in discover section. The next tab is library. When you click on library, you can see this option: purchase, saved, following, and review. You can see the products that you have saved here. I didn't save anything because I started this store just to show you how you can sign up the Gumroad. In next section, following. You are following, you can see the people you are following in this section. And then the review that you are left here, but I didn't do anything because I started to just create this website, I mean this store, to show you how you can sign up in Gumroad. And that's it. I think it's not difficult, it's easy, you can do it. So, what are the benefits of Gumroad? With this platform, you can sell digital products without having to pay upfront. This is the first and important benefit. You don't have to pay anything to start selling with Gumroad. The second benefit is you don't need apps. I mean, another platform like Shopify, if you want to sell your digital products or if you want to gather emails, you need to download and also install apps to gather your emails or sell your digital products. So because of this, Gumroad is very easy to set up, and this is one of the things that people like about it, because it's very user friendly and it's very easy and fast, and you can just get a store and just install and open your store in a minute. Some people consider that the Discover Marketplace also as an advantage, but in my opinion, Marketplace in Gumroad is not an advantage because it's very small and you might not get as many sales that you think out of it. So I wouldn't say this is an advantage because it's very small and it's very difficult to sell in a Marketplace in Gumroad. Now, what are the disadvantages about Gumroad? The first is high fees. I mean, if you want to sell your digital products in Gumroad, Gumroad will take automatically 10% plus 50 cents. On top of that, you are gonna to have 2.9% plus 30 cents because of the credit card fees. And if you sell your sales, I mean the sales is coming from Discover Marketplace, is gonna to be 30% plus 2.9%. In my opinion, the fees in Gumroad are high, and there are a lot of platforms out of here, and they offer better Gumroad. The next disadvantages is limited design. I mean, you cannot actually customize the store. This is one page and it cannot change a lot. You cannot change font, color, and everything that you want. And also you cannot add another page or something like this in Gumroad. But in another website, for example, platform like Shopify, you can add a lot of pages, you can customize everything that you want. So this is the disadvantages about Gumroad that most of the people complain about it, especially about the high fees and also limited design. Both of them are the disadvantages of Gumroad. So what do you think? The platform of Gumroad is right for you or no?